Today's headline: Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma initiated peace accord in Nagaland. CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Mr. Tuliram Ronghang, plays an important role in the peace talk. KPLT disbanded through a press release. Students take protest in front of Diffu Government College. Here's news in details. Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, along with Mr. Tuliram Ronghang, Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, visited Chamokidima, Nagaland, to have a discussion with Naga rebel group. National Socialist Council of Nagaland (NSCN-IM's representative in presence of Nagaland Chief Minister Mr. Napier Rio, Mr. Yangtongo Patton, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Nagaland Mr. Temjan Ima Along, Honorable Minister for Higher and Technical Education, Government of Nagaland, and among other dignitaries, about the ongoing peace talk with Government of India. The Nagaland counterpart gave a warm welcome to Chief Minister Mr. Sharma and CEM of KAAC Mr. Ronghang. It's expected that very soon the Naga rebels, NSCN, IM and other rebel groups will sign peace accord to establish peace in entire northeast region. KPLT declared disbanding through a press release. Karbi People Liberation Tiger KPLT disbanded ceremonially on 20 September at their designated camp at 5 miles Chutianala in front of public and media persons. They set fire to all the belongings to avoid its use by any miscreant in their name. In the meantime, the General Secretary of the organization, Godwinson Crow, through a press release, appealed the central and the state government to fulfill their commitment made to their organization as signatory of peace accord. He also added that they will continue to serve their people and the district by democratic way as they have left a path of violence. I, Znadi Nunisha, and you are watching NE Premier English News. Students take protest in front of Diffu Government College. Students take protest in front of Diffu Government College as most of the students did not get admission in college. More than 800 students have not been selected in the TTC merit list of the Diffu Government College. The student leaders allege that it's because of the negligence of the concerned authority of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council led by Sri Tuliram Ronghang, Sri Jagat Singh Ingti, Executive Member, Higher Education of KAAC, and N.K. Sharma, Principal of Diffu Government College. The student organization KSA Karbi Student Association, DGC Student Union Society, and the deprived students are once again compelled to organize a peaceful democratic protest in front of Diffu Government College. Amidst the pandemic crisis today, September 20, demanding all accommodation to all the students whose names have not been included in the merit list. As most of the students are from the poor family background, and due to pandemic crisis, it is not possible for majority of the family to send their children to outside or private colleges for higher education. I, as a responsible youth, would like to appeal and pressurize upon Sri Tuliram Ronghang, Honorable CEM, KAAC, Sri Jagat Singh Ingti, Honorable EM, Higher Education, and Sri N.K. Sharma, Principal of Diffu Government College, to resolve the student admission crisis at the earliest. The student leader alleges that it has been like this since last few years. Every year, the students have to protest for admission. The main reason is that The number of students are increasing year after year, but there is only one government college. Most of the students are from middle class and poor family who cannot afford expenses of the private colleges. The government college is the only option for them. In spite of requests from different student organizations to set up one more government college in Diffu for the greater interest of the students, the KAAC and the Assam government has not responded positively. As a result, more than 800 students in TDC have not got admission. Therefore, the student organization appealed Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council KAAC to take necessary steps for the greater interest of the students' community.
Diffu Government College is the only institution, and even in this only institution, the government of Assam as well as the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is not taking this initiative, to include all issues. In fact, not only the education problem, there are many issues that the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is not taking. So there are many things we have to do this.
Okay, if the government or the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council will not hear or will not pay any attention to your strike and other thing, what will be your next step?
You see, till now, the government has not responded to our demand, and if the government have not responded to our demand, we will continue to demand, and we will continue to protest democratically. I would say, not violence, not in violence, but democratically. We will keep protesting on, and if needed, we will go for a hunger strike as well.
Anyway, last question to you from my side. So, are you a new student or old student?
I am an old student, but as a citizen of this area, as the ex-students, I have a responsibility to look after.
You are fighting for the new, those who have not got admission.
Yes, I am fighting, and that is why I am here to protest for all.
Okay.